Sharing files these days is so easy, but it can be a pain when you want to share large data files which run into several GBs. And this pain extends further when it involves sharing files across platforms like Windows and Mac. Introducing Solar's Data Link Adapter. Simply drag and drop all your files, big or small, in real time. It's just a plug and play device. Connect the USB 3.0 cable KM link with two of your PCs. Install the software and you are done. Easily share clipboard content across multiple devices including Windows, Macs or iPads. KM functionality: keyboard and mouse sharing between two devices. One person can control both the computers from same keyboard and mouse. Simple plug and play file sharing, USB 3.0 compliant for really faster transfers. Drag files from one device to another by simply pushing the cursor from the edge of the first computer into the screen of the second and vice versa, or simply copy-paste your files. Compatible with Mac to Mac, Windows to Windows, Mac to Windows, Windows or Mac to iPad. The Data Link Adapter enables faster, efficient and timely delivery in sectors like ad agencies, banks, hotels, hospitals or graphic designers. Any organization or individuals who frequently need to transfer, share or back up really heavy files will find this device nothing less than a miracle. Invest in this cost-effective Data Link Adapter and bring ease and smoothness in your work. We understand that smart people always require smart solutions. Hurry up, get your Data Link Adapter today.